how to create TikTok ads as a complete beginner. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create TikTok ads as a beginner and get yourself a lot of traffic for absolutely free. So firstly, I want you to basically take a look at this particular document. Now, you need to have a couple of guidelines that you need to follow. So a TikTok is usually comprised of a couple of different things. You need to have a music, you need to have attractive graphics and a voiceover. Then you have to essentially choose your niche. Now, you guys must be wondering, well, I don't have a voiceover, I don't have any music or stuff like that. Well guys, you don't need to have any of that. TikTok is going to provide you with all of that. But for now, let's take a look at how you can actually make a TikTok for yourself. So let's say you want to make a facts TikTok. Well, then you can simply type in over here true fact, and then you can type in over here TikTok. Now once you do that, over here you will be able to see all of these different TikTok videos. Now I'm gonna open up TikTok right now, and then I'm gonna essentially show you this particular page that is just making fact videos, and they are getting insane traffic. So over here I'm gonna type in true facts, and then once I type in true facts, I will be able to see that particular account, and then you can see how many followers that they have. So they have 353,000 followers, and what they do is they basically take a catchy topic and they add pictures or a voiceover or some suspenseful music. So like for example, this particular TikTok is basically just pictures and a music at the back, and that's basically it. I mean, it is not that hard, but the thing is, people don't actually know about this. So how can you make TikToks like this? Well, you can actually use a couple of different things. So you have a website called Listverse. You can go to Listverse yourself, and if Google asks you this, you can simply click on I'm not a robot, and they're gonna prompt you. So now click on Listverse, and then simply from over here you can actually grab yourself a lot of different top 10 style things, and you can make videos on these. Now to get the voiceover made, you can simply type in over here voiceover maker, and then that is gonna literally present you with so many options that you can use. So I'm gonna click on over here, and then I'm gonna wait for a couple of seconds, and then I can simply paste this text, any text over here, and this is gonna make the voiceover, and I can simply download it. But I'm not gonna waste your time doing that, because that is something that can be done very easily. We need to focus on designing a very catchy ad. So for that, you need to come on to canva.com. Now when you come on to canva.com, from over here click on the search bar and type in TikTok over here. Now once you type in TikTok over here, you will be able to see all of these different templates that you can use for your personal use. So from over here, I can essentially just pick any one of these templates. Now if they are a pro template, well then those are going to be paid, but we are not going to go for a pro template. We are actually going to go for a free one. So I'm going to essentially simply click on this particular template, let's say. So once I do this, that is going to essentially take me over to another page. Now once I'm taken over to another page, I can now simply just modify this particular template. So I'm gonna essentially type in over here what my list is gonna tell me. So I'm gonna basically choose this particular topic, and then I'm gonna type in the first fact. So once I copy this, and then I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna paste it over here. Similarly, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna copy some more details. Now I can copy as many details as I want, or I can copy as less details as I want. Again, it all depends upon me. So yeah, I'm not gonna do a lot of that. So I'm gonna delete this picture, and then from the left side click on elements, and then you can essentially basically grab yourself a lot of different elements. Now I'm gonna click on elements from the left side, and I'm gonna type in over here SpongeBob. So once I type in SpongeBob, I can literally see a sponge. So I don't want that. So I'm gonna come over to graphics, and hopefully I will be able to find some cartoon over here. So I can simply type in keywords, and I will be able to find myself a somewhat SpongeBob looking character. So I'm gonna drag and drop it. I'm gonna delete this image. I'm gonna increase this in size, and then I'm gonna essentially just simply paste the text over here. So like once I do this, I mean, it is pretty simple. You just simply copy the text, you come over here, you paste it, and then once you paste it, I mean, after that you can just simply like do this for all these different pages. Now guys, if you were to like play it by your hand, you can see that this is actually a video. So click on this play button, and then that is gonna actually play the video for you. Now depending upon what you write over here and what you delete, this text is gonna change, but overall you can see it is pretty simple. So I'm gonna click on reload page now because my internet was not saving that particular text. So I'm gonna again type in over here cartoon, and then I'm gonna catch you guys in just a second. So once you have this done, now you can move on to the second template by simply clicking on this particular button at the bottom. So now from over here, similarly, coming back to this particular list, copy this particular title, and then come back and paste it over here. Select this, increase the size. You have to make sure that everything is readable. So from over here, basically, I mean, like just simply choose a very catchy title. So yeah, like once you have done that, now from over here you can essentially just simply start replacing the images as well. So I'm gonna do that, and then from over here click on graphics and then simply copy another graphic. So once you do that, I mean, honestly, this looks super simple. So I'm gonna do this, and yeah, you can just simply repeat the process for all of these slides over here, and then you will have your TikTok video. Now coming back, so why do you need a popular music? Guys, TikTok has a ranking system where if you use the popular music that is like trending right now, your video is going to have a higher chance of actually ending up in people's recommendations than as compared to if your video did not have any popular music whatsoever. It's weird, I know, but that's just how TikTok works. You need to have some popular music in the background to make sure that your video stands out. And then similarly for attractive graphics, I mean, like TikTok is a really fast platform, because over here there are 15-second videos and people are just scrolling down and down and down. You have to make sure that people stop their hand when they look at your video, and for that to happen, super attractive graphics plus popular music plus a voiceover are gonna be the hooks that they need to stop. Otherwise, they are just going to skip the video, and your video is not going to get any views, no watch time and nothing, and not end up in people's recommendations. That is why all of these things are super important. And then for unboxing, facts, and application, I mean, for unboxing, you can just simply unbox something really quickly, something really interesting. I mean, even your phone, just make sure that you are creative with the video. For the fact, you can just simply find the most weird facts, the most strange and the most attractive facts, and make videos on that. For application, you can find something that is super weird on your phone or on an iPhone and make a screen recording video on that. I mean, like, honestly, the potential is literally your creativity. The higher you can think, the more views you can make on TikTok. And guys, honestly, growing on TikTok is nothing hard. It is done again and again, and it is super simple, because again and again, more and more people are coming. So yeah, you can definitely expand upon this particular way of working, and you can definitely learn and also grow over time with this particular method. Again, super simple. Use this tool, use this particular website, and take inspiration or simply copy these videos as well. I mean, I would suggest finding your own facts which are even more interesting than the ones they are presenting, so that way you will grow even faster. But still, if you don't want to search and you're just too lazy for that, simply copy the other videos, and that is going to give you a head start. So guys, this was basically the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.